Hello guys, welcome back. So today we have completed 11k views. As you can see, like Rio has blown up the candles, and now I think the celebration is completed. And I think Rio is not enjoying it, but he likes the cake. So I'm going to give him the cake so he can taste it because he's very good. Rio, taste it. I think he's full. Okay guys, so you need to subscribe my channel, Rio my parrot, and he's a good guy. I think I'm going to blow that candle because I think Rio is gonna get fire. Rio, eat this cake. He's not eating it.